Okay, I did this video, then got a job, had to stop it and leave, so I'd already opened the box. But I got this from Trekmaster, and here's what we got. We got a Everest. And what is it? Base camp, I believe. 9050 Avis, which he put on there key sticks from time to time. 42. And it does, which I got it to open a couple times, but shouldn't interfere with the picking. So we got Bobby Keys, Siegel. There's the bidding. And here's the bidding on this Avis. And the bidding for the Everest. And got one here, it's mummied, Bobby Keys, Dexter. I think I might have sent him this as a standard at one time. And a combination with Troll. I have never tried picking or opening a combination lock, so this might take me a bit. I'll have to see if I can figure it out. ASSA. I love ASSAs. Pretty nice little bidding. Smooth. And this one, the finisher. He had done, I believe, 3 of these. I picked 2 of them open. I always wished I would get the 3rd one, but check out that bidding. That's going to be interesting to pick. This one I know will probably take me a couple tries to get. I mean, yep. But I'll see what I can do with it. Alright, I've not picked out of the box in a while, so I know I'm not going to do that combination just yet. I know this one's going to take me a bit. And since I love ASSAs, let's see if I can maybe pick this one open. I believe it's a 5-pin. Here's the bidding again. Sure it works. Very smooth. I don't know if it's a challenge lock or if it's all standard. I would probably think it's all standard since there's no name tag on it. It does get a little flop in it though. But with normal ASSA pins, I guess that could be normal. It picks a little bent. Let's see what we got here. A little turn. Let's do that again. A little more on one. I think I just overset that one. I think there's some deep. Yep, right there's a little counter. Okay, got a pretty good turn. A little more counter. And there it is. Pretty good little pick. Okay. Let's see. Okay. I think I can pry it off with this. One of the bendy clips. Go. Let's go ahead to be on the safe side. Throw a shim if I can fit it in there. Spin it around a little bit more though. Here we go. And there's all 5 key pins. Standard, 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 standard. Don't look like anything's been done to the core. Let's go up top. Standard. The ASSA spool, barrel, whatever it's called. A deep spool. Another smaller spool. Another one of the ASSA. Springs are the same. And nothing's been done to the plug, I'm pretty sure. Alright, here is this beautiful ASSA oval. Trekmaster 30. Alright, and let's see what else I can pick here, since I'm home from work a little early. Alright everyone, be good, be safe, be legal. Thanks for watching. Trekmaster, thanks for the locks, and I'll get some together here for you and send out real soon. Thanks guys.